Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we talk about the cars that make your pulse race and your wallet tremble just a little bit. And today, oh man, do we have a monster to talk about. BMW just dropped the 2026 M5, and this isn't just another update, it's a complete revolution. They've taken everything we thought we knew about the M5, torn it apart, and rebuilt it into something wild. A hybrid super sedan that might just redefine what performance luxury means. So buckle up, we're going to dive into the design, interior, performance, and price of this all-new beast. Let's kick things off with what you'll notice first, that aggressive new look. Right away, the 2026 M5 demands attention. The design is bold but not overdone, it's athletic, powerful, and unmistakably BMW. Up front, you've got a reshaped kidney grille, still large, but better integrated than before, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that give it a menacing stare. The front bumper now packs massive, fully functional air intakes. They're not just for looks. They actually feed cool air into that new hybrid powertrain. Move to the side, and the M5 stance tells the whole story, flared wheel arches, aggressive body lines, and a lowered setup that looks ready to pounce. It rides on 20-inch forged wheels in the front and 21s at the rear, wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport 5 South, giving it both the grip and attitude to match the power under the hood. At the back, you'll find quad exhaust tips, a more prominent rear diffuser, and a subtle lip spoiler that isn't just for show, it actually generates downforce. The 3D LED taillights finish it off with a futuristic touch that really pops at night. Overall, it's more aggressive than before but still carries that executive muscle car vibe, like a CEO that could smoke you at a track day. Step inside, and this is where BMW's craftsmanship meets next-level technology. The first thing you'll notice is the new curved display system, the 12.3-inch digital cluster paired with a 14.9-inch touchscreen, all housed under a single glass panel that feels super premium. It runs on BMW's Drive 9 software, which finally feels as smooth and intuitive as a top-tier infotainment system should. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a new quick select interface that makes everything easier to use without digging through endless menus. Then there are the M multifunction seats, and wow, they're the real deal. They're fully adjustable, heated, ventilated, and even have massage options. The bolstering hugs you tight during spirited driving but stays comfortable enough for long trips. Materials, pure class. You've got merino leather, carbon fiber or aluminum mesh trims, and customizable ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood, even an illuminated M badge on the passenger side if you want a little extra flair. And yes, the sound system brings the goods. A Harman Kardon setup is standard, with an optional Bowers and Wilkins Diamond system if you're an audiophile. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either, there's plenty of legroom, heated seats, their own climate zone, and even optional entertainment tablets. Trunk space does take a slight hit because of the hybrid system, but it's still big enough for weekend luggage or a full golf set. Alright, now for the fun part, the heart of the M5. BMW has gone plug-in hybrid, pairing a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor to deliver a combined 717 horsepower and 738 pounds-ft of torque. Yes, you heard that right, over 700 horsepower in a luxury sedan. That makes it the most powerful M5 ever built. It's hooked up to an 8-speed automatic transmission and xDrive all-wheel drive, with the ability to switch to rear-wheel drive if you want some classic M5 tail-out fun. 0 to 60 miles per hour. A blistering 3.2 seconds, top speed, electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, or up to 190 miles per hour if you spring for the M driver's package. But here's where it gets wild, the hybrid system isn't just for performance. You can drive in electric-only mode for up to 40 miles, perfect for short commutes or city drives. That means this M5 can be quiet, clean, and efficient, until you unleash the V8 and it turns into a full-blown monster. It's heavier now, sure, around 5,300 pounds, but BMW's suspension magic keeps it sharp. You've got adaptive M suspension, active roll stabilization, and rear-wheel steering that makes it feel smaller and more agile than it is. It corners like it's on rails but still cruises in comfort when you need it to. So what's the damage? The 2026 M5 starts at around $120,000 USD, And once you start checking option boxes, like the carbon package, executive package, or premium paint, you're looking at closer to $135,000 to $140,000 fully loaded. That's serious money, but honestly, you're getting supercar level performance, hybrid efficiency, and true luxury sedan comfort, all in one. To sum it up, the new M5 is a masterpiece. It's aggressive, insanely powerful, packed with tech, and surprisingly eco-conscious. BMW took a bold risk by going hybrid, but they absolutely nailed the execution. Whether you're a longtime M5 purist or just someone hunting for the ultimate all-rounder, this car hits a sweet spot few others can match. So what do you think? Is the hybrid M5 the future of performance sedans, or do you miss the old-school pure V8 setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what side you're on. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive on the latest performance cars. Thanks for hanging out, and as always, stay tuned, stay curious, and keep driving smart. Catch you in the next one.